Last 2018, I had the opportunity to have a shotgun ride with Russ Swift. And this is how it went.
Never do that, okay? Anyway, all we want to do is just drive Alex around very gently and give you guys a chance to snap your pictures. Because he was going so fast before, and now you can take your pictures, post them. Please encourage your family and friends to catch the show because there are only 6 shows left. 3 shows tomorrow, 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m. And then the last one on Sunday, 1 p.m., 3 p.m., and 5 p.m. And then Russ goes back, and then Russ goes back. It'll be a whole other year. So we see him again.
I'm
The
with
Russ
Russ
Swift Sub Show is brought to you by C-Tech, Shell, Pro Tools, Motion Cars, and of course, Motor Edge.